Welcome back, friends. So in the previous video we have created the routing here. So when I will go here, see that here we have created routing with React Router DOM version 6, and then we have created some pages also: home, login and register. So today in this video we are going to work with login page here. We will create the UI for the login page using Material UI, and also we will do all the validations here. So now, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Let's first of all apply the CSS baseline here, and to add some baseline CSS. So here I'm going to import CSS. So let's do this CSS baseline. So we are going to import this from the MUI material only. So we are having the CSS baseline. So when I will save this, and let's check it here, let it be compiled. So it is compiled successfully, and and when we will see here, so see that we are having some CSS baselines applied here. So now let's move forward, and here first of all I have to create the styles here. So I'm going to create a variable that is use styles, and we are going to use function that is make styles, and here there will be like create styles. So it is returning us create styles, and then here we are going to create style for the root. So let's create for the root. So for the root, width will be 100%, height 100 VH, flex, column and center. This one will be there. So we are going to first of all create the class for the styles here. So this one will be there, and here we can, this will return us the object here, and we can access the root from this classes here. Now we have to import this. So let's import this. So for that I'm going to import make styles and create styles from @MUI/styles. So you have to install this library here. So I have already installed this library. See that yarn add @MUI styles. If you are using npm, use npm installs @MUI styles. So now let's move forward, and here I'm going to apply these styles here to our root div. So that will be, class name will be classes.root. Save this. Now let's see the changes. So see that this is in the center here. Now we want some changes here in this typography for the H1. So that for that we will use typography here. So typography. So typography, we are going to import this from the MUI material only, and then here we need the variant. So how it will act like, so this will act like h2 here, so that's why we want s2 here. So here variant will be s2, and what component we have to show, then we are going to write component. So component will be s2 only, so we can write div here. So this means that it will be having the variant of s2, means it will work like s2 here, but when we will see this in the developer tools, then it will show div tag here. But I want to remain it as s2 here, and then gutters bottom. So gutters bottom. So this will reduce the spaces, and here I have to apply some styles also. So here I'm going to write class name, and let's apply styles. So that will be classes dot heading. So here will be some styles here for the heading. Here we need color. So let's import the color from Material UI. I'm going to import blue color. So blue from @MUI material colors, material then colors. So blue is there. Now let's use this blue, and it will be like 900 is good. We need little dark here. So let's see here what we are getting. See that we are getting like this. Now we want some margin here. So for that I'm going to write margin top. So margin top will be 5. I'm going to save this. So there will be the margin as 5 here from the top. So see that now it is good. Now let's move towards the form here. So for the form here, first of all I'm going to create one box here. So here will be the one box. So one box is there, so that I'm going to import from the MUI material only. So box is there, so let's import that, and this is box. And here we need here first of all the component. Component will be div. Component will be div here, and here I'm going to use form here. So we have the form, and then here we are going to use some form controls here. So first of all let's go here in the documentation, and here we want this one for password, and we want for email also. So like this we want for email also. So first of all let's import for the email. So here I'm going to use this one here, and this is third one, and let's see second. Yeah, this one is there. So but I don't need this type, I need for the email only, so that will be good here. So I'm going to copy this only. I'm going to copy this, and let's paste it here. And here we have the form control, and now many of the things we don't want. So let's first of all import the form control. I have import the input label, so that I have also imported, and then outline input, so this one we need, and I have also imported this. So here the type will be email, and value we are going to handle these. So this one will be there, and here we don't want this anything here. Here type email is there, and here this will be email will be there, and this will be email, and here label will be email here. So now let's save this, and let's see some changes here. So let's go here and let's see. So here see that we are getting email here. So reload this, and we are getting email. So but our width is not so good, so here we have to apply some width also. So here actually I'm going to use full width. Copy this, and here let's add full width here. Save this. Then we will set the styling for our auth. So full width should be here. Yeah, actually I think this is just the full width. So let's apply SX here, or let's apply class name only. So it will be classes dot form. So I'm going to go here, and here will be the form. and first of all we need width. So width will be 60%. So I think 60% width will be enough. And let's see the background also. So background, let it be blue. So let it be blue 200 just for the testing purpose. And see that we are getting this like this here. And here 60% is very big. 40 is enough. Yeah, 40 is good. And here we can write full width here. So full width is there, but it is not taking the full width. So let's apply this. Here I'm going to close this and this also, and here will be the form component only. Save this. Now this should work perfectly. So actually this is not working as expected. So let's go here and check for another. So width should be the full width. So full width is there, but we are not getting any full width. So here should be one div. So let's apply one div also for the box. Yeah, and this one. And here actually due to this this was not taking the whole width. Save this. Now this should take the whole width. Yeah, see that. Now it is taking the whole width. So that is very good for us. And I'm going to remove this and save this. Now see that here we are getting the full width here. So 30% is okay. Yeah, 30% is okay. Now we need some margin here. So margin top. So margin top will be 5. Or let me add the margin top here only. So margin top. So margin top will be 5. So 5 is good. Yeah, 5 is there. So that is good. And now we need password here. So for the password, I'm going to copy this whole thing. This one, third one. I'm going to copy this whole because we need this one here. And I'm going to paste this. So here password we need, then visibility off. So these type of icons we need here, and imported this, and then visibility we have also to import. Yeah, and then we need icon button. So let's import this also. Then input adornment. Let's import this also. And here is show password and password. So we have to create the state for this. And here is our JavaScript is there. So see that. So these are our states here. So I'm going to copy all these and I'm going to paste it here. So let's paste it, and here instead of this we will be having like this, set password, and here will be the password here, and same for email we need email and set email. Then React use state is there, and we don't need any handle change. So I'm going to remove this, and we need this one, handle click on password, handle click show password, and then sorry, because of this the error was there, and then we are going to just reverse this. So I'm going to remove this also, and I'm going to remove this also. So we don't need this anything here. So type show password is there, and so for show password we also need this. So let me see, where is our show password, values dot show password. So show password, so we have to create this also. So show password set show password. So now let's move forward here, and here instead of handle change there will be just like this, e set password, e dot target dot value is there, and then here show password, here will be by default false. Now let's move forward. So here will be handle click show password. So here instead of this, set show password. So set show password will be not show password, previous show password. It will be not previous show password, and on mouse down we don't need anything, and here will be show password only, and just save this. And this will also be full width. So here I'm going to apply full width, and margin top will be 2. Just save this, and now let's see the changes. It is compiled successfully here. So now let's go forward and see that here we are getting password. So when I'm writing here, and here we can see this one. So this is looking very beautiful, and for the email we have to set this one also. So here I'm going to go here, and this one here I'm going to write value. So value will be email, and on change it will be set email, e dot target dot value will be there. And for now, for the validation, so it is very easy. Now let's see, we will take the help of this one only, and like this. So this type of validation we can apply here. So here I can write here no validate is there. So here I'm going to write here like here label error is there. So required type of thing I can write here. So let's see. So here will be autocomplete off and no validate. So first autocomplete off will be there, and here we are going to use validate here. Validate, and for the required one we also can do. So no validate I'm going to remove, and then see that here this is required. So label required is there, so now we can apply the required also here. So I'm going to copy this, and here will be the required. So this one we need required, and this one also we need required. Save this, and now we need some buttons here. One button we need, so let's go here and let's see for the button. So actually today this first one is taking time, but next one definitely will not take time. So that we will do in the next video, that is the register one. And see that here we need button here. So button will be contained only. I'm going to copy this, and it will be primary. So for the required, it is compiling, I think, or compile here. So it is compiled successfully here, and we should get required over there. I think in the label we have also to add required here. So let's wait for let's add first of all button here. So I'm going to add button. So let's import button here. Spelling okay, yeah, spellings are good. Now let's move here, here, and here let's add button. Variant will be contained, and here I'm going to write login, and here we need margin top. So I think this will be here. Margin top is not there, so let's remove that, and here will be the margin bottom. So margin bottom, and that will be 4. So 4 is good, and here I'm going to add more margin. So margin top 5, 8. Save this. Sorry, this will be 5 only, and this will be 8. So let it be compiled. So it is compiled successfully, and let's see here. So here we are getting this login button. So this should be in the center. So contained will be there, and then this will be like, here we need margin. So margin will be 1, and so just this one will be there. And for the required, let's see that. So I'm going to back to the text field. So here required should be there, here this one, and for the first one, see that label here in the text field. So here we are using text field here, but there we are using form control. So in the form control, I think we can also add required here. So here we need one more thing. Here type should be submit. Type submit will be there, and then save this, and here see that we are having this button like this. And can it have full width? Yeah, full width it is having. So here required should be there. So see that here we are having required here. So now let's add required here also. Save this. Now this should work very well. We should get full width also here, and like this. So see that here we are having full width also, and here we are having required also. So when I will go try to click here, so see that here I am getting please fill out this field. So this means that this is working perfectly. So now we have completed the login page here, and in the next video we will copy this login page and we will create the register page.